In this brief video, I will show you how to use KeyConnect for running a simple chi-square test of independence. We have a dataset consisting of about 2,000 survey results showing whether the person is male or female and whether the person is a decision maker or not for the process of buying a car. Our objective, of course, is to see if there's a relationship between the gender of the person and the fact that if they're a decision maker. Let's go over to KeyConnect, and the first thing we want to do is to load the data file. We'll select the data file, click open, and then load. And the data should show up in this table below. And the next thing you want to do is to let KeyConnect know that this is a nominal data set. So select the all nominal radio button and uncheck the target variable analysis. And finally indicate to KeyConnect what's the alpha value that you want to use for this chi-square test. So let's select 0.05 and run the chi-square test. Now what KeyConnect will do is it will bring up the usual three areas: the bar chart area on the left and the circle chart area on the center, and finally contingency table analysis on the right. So the bar chart for a two variable problem is not so useful, so let's ignore that. Focus your attention on the circle chart. You can see that there's two factors are shown here: decision maker and gender, and you can see that there's a line connecting the two, which tells us that immediately that gender and decision maker are indeed related. They're not independent. Let's see if a contingency table analysis uses the same information. So here we see the contingency table. We see that there's 207 male decision makers and 67 female decision makers, as opposed to 811 male non-decision makers and 984 female non-decision makers, giving us a total of 2067 survey samples. The observed value of the chi-squared analysis was 87.7, which is significantly higher than the critical value, and therefore KeyConnect draws a line between the two factors. Now, if you had multiple factors, the table of chi-squared values is a good way to summarize these results, and the bar chart also would be good information to look at. And that would be the object of a next demo video where we show how to use KeyConnect for running a multivariate chi-square test.